This is a square in my hometown. This part here is not very, it's a little scary, but I'm just crossing this park and heading to the seashore. And also there's the bridge there. I'll show you guys. There's a lot of mud here because the trees don't allow the rays of sun, to hit the ground. So and now I'm reaching near the bridge, which is our, what's the name, postcard of the city, something like that. So we call it Ercílio Luz. That's the bridge, which is so beautiful. From here it's not so beautiful. It's more beautiful when it's in the horizontal. Horizontal look. And so famous. It's been there for almost 200 years, I think.